We're back. Okay, so now that we've done the plant IDs for all of our samples, the next thing is to take a clip plot. We usually go every other sample on this one, and so we use a 1/4 meter quadrat for that. So this was where my Transect 1 number 3 flag is, and I'm going to pick this area right here, and I'm going to have to lower this all the way to the soil surface. So I'm making sure that all the plants that are actually in this 1/4 meter end up in here, because I'm going to have to clip all the way down to the bottom. Okay, take out the flag so we don't clip that. Just put that right here.
What about if there's tops of plants that are coming from like over here?
Yeah, we should take some of that out.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. Okay, so let me get and again, you usually have a couple people doing this, and so we just sort of clip away and somebody grabs the top of the plant, and then we, doesn't matter if you destroy it now, we're just going to take it back to the lab and dry it in a drying cabinet. So I just clip until I've gotten down to the sediment surface. Oops. Okay, so this is what our completed clip plot looks like. We don't get every little shred, and we don't want any dead debris or logs, and then this is what our sample looks like. And since this is T13 and we wrote T11 on here, we have to change that number to a 3. But you can see this bag has been pre-weighed. So we'll take this back to the lab and put it in the drying oven probably for 3 weeks. And we'll mass it in the lab at the end of every week until it reaches a constant dry mass. And that's the mass that we use for this particular sample. And note that if I get plants that I didn't ID very well in the sample, I can mark that on the bag, and then I can go back and use this bag to help me ID the dry plant.